Good afternoon, class. It has come to my concern through some of y'all's emails that the Quizlet link that I gave you guys wasn't working. So the link was correct, but when you type it in for some reason it wasn't working. So what you're gonna do is you'll want to first the email I sent to you guys, which you all should have had. You want to click that link and you want to copy it. So when you copy that link, you'll then open up Yahoo or Google, which I'm using Yahoo. You'll come up here to the top search bar and you'll hit paste. Then that'll take you to the Quizlet that I want you guys to look over before our upcoming test over the Civil War. When you click on it, it flips the card for you. You can flip over to the next ones. Majority all the content that will be on the test is in this Quizlet. Big hint. So I would look over it. There's also a mode where you can do different tests, different matches. And there's all kinds of cool stuff you can do on here to help you get prepared as well. If you have any concerns or questions, please let me know. Thank you.